cut out the rainbow. There's a rainbow.
There's a rainbow.
Let's see the rainbow first.
Yeah.
Wow.
The kids.
Yeah, the kids are playing with the colors from the rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is so good.
Wow.
Okay, let's see what is got inside.
So I have colored this lotus.
Oh, you colored this lotus?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks so real, right, guys?
Yeah. You see, it looks like a deep pink and light pink, but this one looks better than this one, right?
Yeah. And what's that?
It's a rose.
Wow.
Well, I think this is a different kind of rose because see the shape, it almost looks like a rose, but maybe this is a different kind of rose, right? So, yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the next page.
So in the next page, it has this camellia flower.
The marigold.
Marigold is my favorite flower now because it says Mary and gold.
Oh yeah.
Because after Mary says gold. So, and then the next page it has
Morning glory.
yeah, morning glory is my favorite color. It's my favorite color. Look,
The
guys.
other one is cosmos, right?
Yeah, cosmos. And look, I found this little pearl.
Oh wow.
It's pearl. So, pretty much.
Okay. Let's turn over.
Over here it has Alamanda.
Alamanda.
It looks like a normal flower, but still it's a nice flower.
Did you color it here?
No.
Oh, you're gonna color it, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
And it says pansy.
Fancy flower. Okay, I've seen it once
Oh, wow.
in real life. Oh, daffodil.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite flowers.
Mine too.
Yeah.
So actually I forgot to put orange here.
Oh,
because,
so you colored this thing.
yeah,
It looks like real daffodil.
yeah. Because of this deep green, like deep color. Actually light colors are good, right?
Yeah. What about the one here?
Oh yeah,
Lily.
lily.
Oh.
It's like a crescent stain.
So you finished
Right?
coloring it already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next
So let's
page.
move on.
Tulip. Tulip is my favorite flower.
Tulip. Yeah.
And over here, under tulip, it has zinnia.
Zinnia.
Zinnia kind of looks like my name. It almost looks like my name because
Yeah,
it has,
your name is Zunaira and it is Zinnia.
yeah, it's almost
A bit similar.
yeah.
Oh
similar.
wow, sunflowers. And you
Yeah.
colored the sunflower.
Yeah.
Your one looks so real.
Yeah, you told me to color it.
Realish.
You
Yeah.
told me to color it.
I told you to color that. Yeah, I remember.
And then crimson.
Primrose.
Prim-
Primrose.
oh yes, I said it's crimson, but it's primrose.
No, it's primrose. Okay, let's check the next page.
Yeah, because I don't want to do it too long, right?
Okay, yeah.
And
Oh,
here's
Dahlia.
Dahlia. I've heard hibiscus. Okay,
Hibiscus.
let's just see this for a while.
Hmm.
So it has red on the outside, and over here in the middle of it, it has yellow. Oh, this little one growing. And leaves. Green.
But let's move on.
and
Hibiscus.
hibiscus. It looks similar to this one here. Let me show you. It looks similar with this one and this one.
Yeah.
And
Now the birdies.
yeah, here is the birdie side, bird
Wow.
side. This is a
It's a
magpie.
magpie.
Actually, magpie doesn't look like this. It actually looks like this. The gray colors are the grays for the shadow. Okay. And here is my favorite.
Sparrow.
Yeah, it's my
Wow.
favorite bird, sparrow. Sorry about that.
We've got lots of sparrows in
Yeah.
Bangladesh, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
And then
Okay.
there's a bird is like just like this. Woo, woo. Like I also
What
do
are
that.
you eating?
What?
What are you eating?
Oh, I'm eating crisps.
Crisp. Oh wow, Detos. That's my
Yeah.
favorite crisp.
Me too.
Oh,
Okay,
so crispy, right?
Yeah. So I'll eat it on the end of the.
Oh, I wish I could eat it right now. No.
Okay. And guys, here let me show you closely. So here it is.
Oh wow.
This is how it looks like.
Ah, nom 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 nom.
It looks like you already took a bite of it because this part got broken.
Yeah.
It's like a triangle shape.
Okay, put it back.
See? It's like a triangle shape.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, let's continue with this one. So it
Token.
has
Token.
toucan. So toucan. Whoa, look at this big beak. How this will take for ages for me to color. I mean, maybe this will make me ages
Pizza.
to color. Yeah,
Pizza.
And look at this little cute thing.
Yeah, it's got a very long tail.
Yeah, it's like a spiky tail.
Yeah. What's the next one?
Okay, so the next
Oh,
one.
kingfisher.
It's my favorite.
I've seen a kingfisher once.
What? You
Yeah. It was about to catch some fish.
I think it likes fish because he is like sitting on.
Yeah, they eat fishes.
Oh, I didn't know that, but now I know, right?
Hmm.
But now you know that I like kingfishers now. And look at the little cute little tail. Oh, there's chips.
What's here down below? Woodpecker. Oh, I've seen woodpeckers too. Remember this one
Yeah.
time there was an woodpecker at our house.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, it was poking the window. I
Yeah.
thought that it was a tree.
yeah, it likes to poke tree and make holes, right?
Okay.
I've never knew
Okay.
that. Eagle! This is
Eagle,
the
whoa!
scariest
Eagles
part.
fly so high up in the sky.
Higher than birds.
Yeah.
Like higher than clouds. We cannot even see real.
What's this? Hooded pita.
Hooded pita? Oh, it says hooded. It's like a scary. It sounds like a scary name. So yeah, let's just move on
Next
to.
one, crow. A very common bird in our country,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. In every take comes.
Yeah.
And do you know,
Oh,
guys?
crimson
Yeah,
chat.
crimson chat is my favorite bird ever. So let's move on to the next page very quickly because I don't want to make
Yeah,
the video too
the
long.
video is getting too long.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Macau.
Macau.
I thought it's Max.
Macau.
Yeah.
They sometimes can talk if they are properly trained up.
Yeah, because when we like talk.
Oh, look
they
at this birdie parrot. I think this is a baby
Yeah,
parrot.
because look at there's like a hair.
Do you guys
growing.
know that parrots can also talk if they are trained up properly?
Oh.
Yeah. What's the next one? Quail.
Wild.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this cute little face.
Yeah, it looks like a crown. The
Yeah.
one she has on top.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and
Oh, you have already colored this penguin.
and it's like a deep blue on top.
But penguins are, as far as I'm concerned, they are black and white.
Yeah.
But this one is colorful penguin. Maybe this is a special one.
Yeah. And do you know this is kind of like the queen of the zoo because see it's like a little leaf crown.
And the last page, right?
Yeah.
We've got cog.
Finally, this is the last page because
Yeah, I
don't want
ate
to
a cog the other day.
Huh?
What's the next one? A duck.
a duck.
It's been ages since I ate a duck.
Ah, give me a duck.
Yeah. So that's the end of the coloring book.
Now,
Now, do you have anything else to show us?
yes, I have the pearl.
Okay, hurry up.
Oh yeah. So my friend Nemo, she's a bad girl, but now she's a good girl. She gave me this.
Emoji stickers.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Emoji stickers are my favorite stickers.
Yeah.
One day my mom got me this kind of stickers, but it has frozen characters. Okay.
Yeah. Frozen characters?
Yeah.
You mean
and
Elsa, Anna, Olaf?
yeah.
Whoa.
Then-
These
and
emoji
it's,
stickers are nice.
And I've made
What's this?
this card for my.
School.
Sorry.
School project.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's from school.
This rainbow looks so real.
And then over here, it has this little flower,
Oh wow.
like yellow, pink, like yellow, pink, yellow, blue, pink, blue. So I wrote a note. It says, "I like my mom. This card is right? Even the card is nice too, right?
I draw a flower
Yeah.
for you. Then
Over here.
Over here. Ooh.
I like so it's easier for my mom to see, right?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. And I've got my little friends, my little toy friends.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye. And now let's try these chips.
Oh.
Okay, so good.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.
Bye.